I'm Steph Foster from Foster Feast. Today on Backyard Bosses, I am going to show you a step-by-step tutorial of how to cook meatloaf at home on your Pit Boss. That's right, this is simple, this is easy, and this is pure comfort food, and you can even do it on a budget. I'm using homemade marinara sauce and fresh ground beef and herbs, and we are stuffing it with cheese. Yes, we are gonna make this ooze out a glorious pile of mozzarella cheese that we have stuffed inside of this meatloaf.
So let's get going. We're gonna preheat this Pit Boss to 325 degrees. For this cook today, I'm using my 3 Series vertical Navigator from Pit Boss Griddles. Now onto the recipe. You're gonna need 2 pounds of lean ground beef, 3/4 cups of Italian breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of salt and pepper, but we're using the smoked one from Pit Boss, a teaspoon of each paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire? Say it how you like. Now it's time to mix it together. Knead it until it's evenly blended. You don't need to overdo it, but you definitely want it to be mixed evenly. Now, once you've got that ready, grab a loaf pan, the same one you make your banana bread in. Put 1/3 of the beef mixture in the bottom and press it evenly to create a base. Next, we're gonna add cheese. It's about a cup in measurement, but I just cut up 2 pieces of my brick and place them in the bottom in the middle. I'm using mozzarella, but get creative and use a different cheese that makes you happy. Then, take the remaining beef mixture and press it evenly over top. This is where your Play-Doh playing skills as a child will come in handy, but you're gonna create the loaf yourself. Use your fingers to tuck the meat in the side and create a beautiful looking loaf. It's gonna be a little bit of work, but I promise you, after a couple minutes of handiwork, you will get it figured out too. Once you have your loaf evenly shaped and ready for the grill, put it onto the Pit Boss, and we're gonna let that cook for 30 to 35 minutes. If you want more smoke flavor, use a lower temperature and cook it for a little bit longer. Now it's time to check in.
Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Come have a look.
And it's not just the meatloaf that smells amazing. We're using the Pit Boss competition blend pellets for this cook.
And don't forget about the side dish. You definitely want some mashed potatoes or maybe even like some roasted potatoes with herbs and butter. That would be a great compliment to a cheese stuffed homemade meatloaf.
Side dishes definitely matter, but look at this meatloaf. It is smoked, it is glorious, and that cheese is already trying to escape. I am using the lid off of my Pit Boss cast iron roaster for this, but you can use any oven-safe baking dish. Now grab your favorite jar of marinara sauce and generously cover that whole meatloaf with it. I'm using homemade sauce, but that's just because I like to make my own. Any flavor you like would be great. I love to sprinkle herbs on top. I'm using oregano out of my garden, but you can use parsley, you can use fresh, you can use dried. Work with what you've got right at home.
Now give that 10 to 15 minutes and we will be ready to eat dinner.
Let that meatloaf rest a couple minutes at least before you serve it. And in just under 1 hour, you have completely prepared and are ready to serve your homemade cheese stuffed meatloaf. Now let's see how it turned out. Did we get it to erupt with cheese? I think we did. And we did it all on a budget.
And it is just ooey gooey, full of mozzarella cheese. Smells amazing.
This just might be better than Mama's meatloaf, but we won't tell her that.
Let's get this inside so we can eat dinner. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Steph Foster from Foster Feasts, and this is my homemade mozzarella stuffed meatloaf with marinara sauce. You can do this too on your Pit Boss. I mean, the recipes are easy. This is pure comfort food. You can even do it on a budget. Recipes don't need to be complicated. Again, like and subscribe to this Pit Boss Griddles channel to learn more great recipes, tips, and tricks from Pit Boss Griddles. I'm Steph Foster from Foster Feasts, and today we made meatloaf on Backyard Bosses. See you later.